This is absolutely amazing. The price of Turbo has been absolutely explosive in the past couple of days, and I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, can the price of Turbo reach $1? So at this particular moment, right, as you can see, we are pretty much smashing the previous all-time high, and we are about to create new all-time highs. And this is one of the reasons why I am pretty excited. So ever since yesterday, right, or rather on October 15th, the price of Turbo reached a previous all-time high, or rather a new all-time high. And right now we are a little bit down. We are down by about 18.2%, and I really believe that the price of Turbo is going to continue its upward trajectory. Now, a lot of you might be wondering, can a meme coin absolutely do 100x, even though the current market cap is about close to $1 billion US? And this is a very good market cap in terms of maturity. And one of the things about Turbo is it is already on Binance. And if you take a look at the price on Binance, or rather the volume on Binance, right, because it's listed on Binance, which is a very good established cryptocurrency exchange. And if you take a look at the 24-hour trading volume of Turbo, it's only 96.7 million US, ladies and gentlemen. And that really guarantees to us that not a lot of people are really epping in this particular project, and there's a lot of room to grow. I want the 24-hour trading volume on Turbo on Binance to be close to 500 million US. That's when I'm going to know that there's obviously the peak of whatever price trajectory we are having. But if you take a look at this current volume of Turbo on Binance, which is only 96 million US, there's absolutely a very, very big room for growth. And this is one of the reasons why you are not supposed to be fading Turbo. Of course, it's going to be absolutely extremely volatile, and this is one of the reasons why you cannot be going all in and just basically selling your assets just to sort of get into Turbo. So be very careful, practice dollar cost averaging, and hold it for the next 6 months. Of course, there's going to be a lot of people who are going to be selling this project because, as you can see right over here, right, it has been doing extremely well, and obviously people are going to be offloading those profits. And this is one of the reasons why you have to understand that the markets are very cyclical. There's going to be circles, there's going to be cycles where buyers and sellers are going to be exchanging hands. So in case, for example, whatever investments you make go slightly under, you have to understand that you just have to hold and wait for the next season. Of course, you guys can obviously find better entries, better fair value entry. Like, for example, this price right over here at around 8/10ths of a cent, slightly below 1 cent. This is a very good fair value to get in before the continued leg towards the upside. So this particular price point might come or may not come. Okay, it may not happen, so we do not know. So that is your risk to take. By the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. As far as I'm concerned, Turbo is a very good cryptocurrency, and it is showing a lot of resilience. So we are having a little bit of topping signs right over here, because we obviously hit the previous all-time high, or rather we had the recent all-time high. So we are seeing a little bit of exhaustion here. This is one of the reasons why I'm really expecting the price of Turbo to slightly drop down and sort of find some support. So this may or may not happen. So in case you guys are you can't really wait to sort of FOMO, you know what to do. Or if you can't wait to buy, you know what to do. But that obviously is not really going to be a very smart move, because I really encourage my subscribers to sort of figure out the fairest price during a particular cycle, because this is very relative. All the information that I'm giving you is relative to this particular time that we are confined in, because the people who are going to be sort of investing in Turbo in the future, right, they're not really going to look at this particular price drop that I'm talking about as as a factor, as an issue. So this is one of the reasons why everything that I talk about when it comes to trading is very, very time sensitive. Because take a look at these guys, the people who ended up FOMOing here at the top, they obviously suffered a huge loss and they were down for like a significant amount of time. But the people looking at the charts right now, right, they're like, oh man, this was a very good buying opportunity. I wish I bought right over here before it dumped. And take a look at the gains that they made. So everything is relative, and this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, if you're watching this episode, right, this video right now, of course it's in your best interest to wait for the prices to slightly go down and find some sort of support. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I'm looking at this area right over here, slightly below 9/10 of the cent. And also let me also change the color so that you guys are on the same page. And then we also have this area right over here. So you've got two potential buying areas as far as getting the best fair value price of turbo is concerned. So you've got entry level number 1, okay, and entry level number 2, and you guys don't really have to struggle a lot. You can just put price alerts on these particular areas. And why do I pick those areas? Because these are the areas where we have a lot of distribution and a lot of fair value. There's some point of control going on around this particular level, because I'm looking at that candle right over there, this candle, and obviously these candles right over here. So this is one of the reasons why I'm picking these areas. So please set some alerts on your mobile phone. There's a lot of apps that have got buy alerts that you can set up. You can put price alerts, so you don't have to like watch the charts every day. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity. However, there is a probability and possibility that maybe the price of turbo is not going to come back down, and that is obviously a risk you have to take. But if I were you, I would rather go for the fairest value, because you can always find another trade out there that you can follow. So now, getting back to today's main topic, right? Can the price of turbo reach $1? The answer is absolutely possible. It is absolutely possible. In order for that to happen, right, the price of turbo, or rather the market cap of turbo, needs to go to over 100 billion US dollars, and it is absolutely possible. So take a look at the market cap valuation of the highest the most valued meme coin on the blockchain, and this is obviously Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is currently having about 17.7 billion US dollars, and at the peak of the bull run, right, the market cap as far as Doge is concerned, right, Dogecoin is concerned, it was in May, and I can guarantee you the price was like 5 times. It was close to 100 billion US dollars in terms of its market cap valuation. So the good thing about turbo is the maximum supply, the circulating supply, and the total supply are in unison. They are in equilibrium right over here. They are pretty much equal. So there isn't going to be any sort of inflation which is going to affect the price of turbo. And this is a very good thing, due to the fact that whatever price demand is happening right now, it's pretty much factual. It's not really going to be affected by later sort of token releases, etc. So whatever coins are out there are already on the markets, and this is one of the reasons why it's a very fair sort of project to sort of get to invest in. And sometimes a lot of people really look down on meme coins, but if you really factor in inflation, right, meme coins are safer investments, because you have all the supply right there in the market, but when it comes to a lot of these A-graded type of cryptocurrency projects, these top-notch projects, right, you find that a lot of circulating supply is hidden from the general public. Only seed investors and early investors have got, or rather are going to have access to those new forces and the new tokens that are going to be released to the general public, which is very risky. And this is one of the reasons why 9 times out of 10 a lot of retail investors end up losing. Only the early investors and the seed investors really get to benefit. And this is one of the reasons why we're seeing the meme coin economy absolutely blossom. And yeah, I mean, it is possible to reach $1 as far as turbo price is concerned. So please let me know, what is your price prediction as far as turbo is concerned for the next coming 6 months? Drop all your comments in the question drop all your comments in the comment section below, and please let me know, how long have you been trading turbo? Were you part of these flatliners right over here? Because these people who invested in turbo when it was absolutely flat, these guys are going to be absolutely filthy rich, and I'm sure a lot of millionaires have been created by turbo. So take a look at this. Turbo, a meme coin by AI for the people. You've got the green pill and the red pill. Obviously, the green pill is for pumponomics, as it is pumping right now. The red pill is obviously for dumponomics. All right, so yeah, this has been fun. You guys take care, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of more updates as far as a lot of these meme coins are concerned, and we might potentially create a meme coin on this YouTube channel. So yeah, you guys better definitely subscribe, because I'm going to help make a lot of people super wealthy. Take care, and God bless you.